Hello, everybody. Welcome in our SnapTalk. Today, my guest is Sophie, CEO and founder of Claid and AI and Let's Enhance. Can you tell us something more about these platforms?
Yeah, definitely. Thanks for having me. Hi, everybody. My name is Sophie. I'm the CEO of Claid and Let's Enhance. We are a deep tech platform, so we use AI to help work with visuals. Let's Enhance is one of top 10 most popular image upscalers and enhancers. So basically what we are doing, we try to get your photos look better and higher quality. And we use AI to analyze why quality might not be that great, and we fix these problems. Claid is our next product that we'll launch a little bit later. And it also works with photography, but with a product photography. So we help businesses, e-commerce stores, marketplaces to basically added all the visuals they need for websites, for socials, for ads, using various AI tools. And that's what we've been doing for the last 6 years. And happy to be here and share more.
Thank you. You told us already what kind of problem do you solve and how we can benefit from your softwares. Can you tell us a little bit more how can print-on-demand providers benefit from your offering?
Yeah, definitely. So print-on-demand providers were one of the first businesses we started working with. And that's the businesses that also, as we do, get a lot of images and data from users. So people upload precious moments, photos of their loved ones, pets. They want to print it. They want to print that on different products. So what we are doing for them, we correct these images so they look better, specifically on print. Because if something is not good quality enough, it's immediately visible, right? So we are using different technologies to correct it so it looks nice and people are happy with the printed results. Recently, we started using more generative AI to work with printing products to not just edit the existing content, but also transform it into some art pieces, allow more creativity to work with your photos and animations and soon videos. So it's not, so these photos can be used in like various cases in photo books, and like you can print it on your t-shirt, you can print it on your cup, and it's here and you can enjoy it.
How in specific this solution can improve conversion and increase sales in e-commerce stores?
Yeah, so there is various conversions on the e-commerce store, but like me, mostly work with two main problems and workflows. So first one is catalogs and what we call the main feed. So visuals on the catalog, when you are as a user browsing what you want to shop, visuals should look really nice, right? So that's one of the key criteria that helps with conversion on into the listing, so you can start and like explore more. So we fix these images, and so these images looks much better. Second one, we generate ads. That's pretty straightforward. So we can create very, very fast hundreds of different creatives, and you can just A/B test them and find the ones that work much better. In US, hiring a photographer and hiring a designer might cost like $500 for the brand just to have this first test set of creatives. What we are doing, we are like democratizing it. Once you have your first really nice product shots, you can take it further, you can place it in different backgrounds, and basically just have much more content to experiment with much less price.
Do you have any specific success story that you would like to share with us?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Do you have any specific success story that you would like to share with us?
Yeah, definitely. So we have a lot of different clients. So one that I can share is Rappi. Rappi is one of the biggest marketplaces and food delivery companies in Latin America. So what we're doing for them, we are improving the content that they're getting from restaurants, from grocery stores, and it helped to increase the moderation time, because all the content that is provided should be moderated by teams to make sure that it fits criteria, that it fits their guidelines. And before they started using our API, the average moderation and onboarding flow was around 9 days, which is very long time because you want to start selling immediately. And with the automatic enhancement, we decreased it for just 1.5 days. So it got almost immediate effect. Also, they've been seeing around 30% increase in conversions on the listing that they didn't have photos before, had photos in poor quality, and now they have really nice visuals. So they immediately saw the uplift in conversions to that menu items.
That sounds really cool, especially that your service is from small e-commerce stores and also for the big platforms, so everybody can benefit
Yeah.
from your software. Can you tell us what's your plans for the future? Because you are the founder, so I'm pretty sure that you have a lot of ideas and new things that you would like to implement.
Yeah, we are very excited about the future. So the current AI wave is moving really fast. So the technology is improving really fast. So what we are building the platform that can help businesses sell better, and whatever it means with better visuals, with videos. We are looking into video as the next frontier. It's very exciting. It's a big focus for 2025 and 2026 because we believe that photos and still like illustrations got to the point that they are good enough. They are constantly improving, but shooting video is even more expensive and takes more time and takes more resources. So cracking this would be a big improvement to all our customers, so they can use it across all the channels. And also we are building these smart AI agents that can not just help with using AI tools, but also provide some new ideas, analyze the data that you already have, and learn from it and suggest something that will work specifically for your business. So we are very excited about these improvements across the industries.
As far you are also the AI specialist, can you tell us how you see the future and how e-commerce landscape will change in the next few years using the AI, in your opinion, of course?
Yeah, definitely. So what we've been seeing recently, and I would say this trend continues for the last 5 years, is that people think that e-commerce growth kind of like plateaued and like everything is online now. But with COVID kickstarted the trend that more and more businesses, they are joining online. And right now with the new AI possibilities, this trend will just continues to grow. I would say that all the AI technologies that are building right now, they just make teams more productive. Because like I personally use a lot of AI tools every day. I use language models like ChatGPT to help me with everything from research to writing emails. You can also write ads. You can also write descriptions. You can brainstorm with these tools. They're getting like really, really smart and advanced. So the work that could be done by like 10 people now could be done by 3, which is a great improvement in productivity for a lot of businesses, especially small businesses. They value every employee and the impact that that employee brings. Another trend that it's getting cheaper to produce content in the industry where we are in, because all new generation of the models, they are faster, they are better, they are cheaper to run. So we believe that it will be, in the next few years, will be the barrier to entry the business will be getting lower and lower and lower. So you can just run your business by yourself and have a bunch of agents, and you can try and fulfill your dream. So that's actually what makes it really excited. So we will see a big increase with solo businesses, even smaller number of employees businesses, but they will be more productive and they could achieve more. So we will see this non-linear returns. So that's what I'm observing, this trend starting now, and we will see it more.
Thank you for sharing your point of view with us. And can you give some advice for e-commerce store owners who just start the adventure with AI, who start to use this technology to improve the quality of images and increase the sales?
Yeah, just basically the main advice as for everything is just try to identify where you have the biggest blocker and the longest process. Maybe it's moderation, maybe it's writing descriptions for your listings. Try to take one task and try to replace it and test it with AI in parallel, what your team is doing, and you would be surprised. So when people say that like AI is disrupting the whole industry, it all sounds like very broad, but try to narrow it down to like concrete steps that you need to do every day to launch the product, to promote the product, because like these tools that we're seeing, including ours, they are getting really, really good at like some narrow vertical applications. So you can use 3, 5 tools and they will already speed up the process and make it so much easier for you. So don't try to start with everything because it's overwhelming. There is a lot of news, there is a lot of updates. Try just prioritize 2, 3 areas and go for it. Google probably provides a lot of examples of these tools. So just test it out, give it a try, and slowly but steadily implement it in your workflows. Thanks for having me. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you so much for your time and for being here with us. Wish you all the best with your businesses. We are very curious to see what new implementation you will bring to the AI table, and hope to meet you soon with some news for our customers.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.